how to customize it so that you are tracking what you need to know for your business and your business goals. So today I'm going to show you how to set up the Facebook Pixel using Google Tag Manager. The Facebook Pixel is a tool that allows you to track all of your ad conversions, all of your ad traffic. It's basically Facebook's version of Google Analytics in a sense. So what it does is it's a little piece of code that you can put on your website through Google Tag Manager, or you can install it manually onto your website. You can also ask your web developer to do this for you. But when you set it up, it immediately starts tracking the audience of people who are coming to and from your website. So what we're going to do today is show you how to set up the pixel using Google Tag Manager, and then how to customize it so that you are tracking what you need to know for your business and your business goals. So if you want to jump over here into the Facebook Ads Manager. So what you want to do is switch from Ads Manager to Events Manager here on the top left-hand corner. Now this pixel has already been set up, but if you weren't seeing a pixel here, what you would see is this setup button and install pixel. So what you want to do is hit setup and install pixel. You can add the code using a partner integration, manually add the pixel code, or email the instructions to your developer. I'm going to click manually add the pixel code, so it brings the pixel code up here, and I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. Now over here in Google Tag Manager, what you want to do is hit new, title it Facebook Pixel, you want to use custom HTML tag, paste your pixel, and select the trigger feature so that triggers on all pages. Once you hit save, that is your Facebook Pixel installed on your website. You can test that then using Google Tag Manager to see if it is firing properly. I'm going to discard this as it is already set up here. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to customize that. So there's a little piece of code that you can use to customize your conversions inside in Facebook. I'll have that in the description. So what this is track custom click to call. So this little piece of script here, this little piece of text can be edited over and over and over again. This is the only thing that changes in the customization of your custom conversions on Facebook when you're setting them up through Google Tag Manager. It is so that you can know what it is. So click to call is pretty clear to someone click to call on the website. So track custom click to call. Then what I use is a trigger. So Google Tag Manager allows you to use various triggers. There's tons and tons and tons of them, and you can set them up individually of each other. So say for example, here I'm going to show you some triggers. So click to Buzzsprout, that is our podcast platform, click to call, clicked on Apple Podcast link, contact us form submitted, contact us submit button, podcast page timer. So there's lots of different triggers that you can do. You can have a trigger go off when someone's been on the page for 3 minutes, for when someone who has filled out a form or filled out lots of different variants. If I click new trigger here, you can actually see the list of things. So page view, window loaded, clicking on elements like buttons and things, element visibility. So like how far did they scroll depth, YouTube video. There's timers, there's lots of different triggers that you can use, and you can customize them and mix and match them so that you get a customized event for your website, because every website is different and every goal is different. So this allows you to manipulate it in order to get the tracking right for your business. So once you have those set up, you can go over to Facebook here and you can hit custom conversions. As you can see here, podcast played timer 3 minutes. That's one that's already set up. But if I hit create custom conversion, you can see here that the custom events populate. So I can hit contact form submitted, name it contact form submitted. And now when we're running adverts, we can see when the contact form submit button was hit, and therefore we know how many conversions came through from an advert. So this is how you set up the Facebook Pixel and some custom conversions. If you have any questions on this, or if you'd like to ask Click Media Marketing anything about the Facebook Pixel or setting up your ads, feel free to comment below or pop us a message. Thanks.